Two. It's low. Muscle Up Wildlife. Quick little video. Little treat for the American bullies, man. And the other breeds as well. But just gonna show you how we do it real quick. You know what I'm saying? Real simple. First and foremost, we got our rice. We break it down. We got our rice. Got some ground turkey for them. Blueberries. You know we love the blueberries. Got some carrots, pumpkin. We got some ginger. We got some kale. A few more eggs. You know, turmeric, coconut oil. You know, just the little things we throw in there. But yeah, man, it's a little treat for them. Like I said, we don't really too much like feeding them kibble. You know, help them poop a lot. You know, the poop stink. You know all that other stuff, man. Just kibble. We ain't against it, but you know, we still keep it in our program. But we more like to go the natural way. You know, with the raw, and even stuff like this. These are little treats we consider for them. You know, but they devour it, so it get the job done. You know, it stick to them as well too. You know, it's clean. You know, and then when they poop, you don't even smell it as much as you do when they eat the kibble. After they spill, it's terrible. But yeah, this help clean all that up, man. You know, rice a good filler for as well. You know, the ground turkey, they just complement each other. So they gonna dig in regardless. That should be enough. Blueberries in there. They gonna let you hear about it when they're hungry. So I should have mixed all this up in one bowl. Really. Yeah, I know that everybody like putting the eggshells in there, but I do not. My dogs know how to eat around it. Like I said, it's a treat. You give them all the bones and the organs and stuff they need like later on. So you wake up in the morning, we'll feed them something like this. So we feed our young puppies as well. Kind of like the same thing, but we'll add like ground beef, rice. You know, just mix it up like that with them. And mix that up like so, man. Prepare. So. Mix it up like so. We got to add the turmeric in. turmeric plays a role. So yeah, man, prepare. See how these boys do it. She ready right here. All right, buddy. Yes, sir, man. That's it, man. No, real simple, man. Just how they eat, man. You know, they eat better than me. Got them on a new schedule too, man. That's why y'all ain't really been seeing me like that. I'm trying to work this schedule out, man. Trying to see how it go, but it's been working well for me though, man. When we had like 1 puppy left, well, really 3, but I'm sitting on the other 2. Yeah, man. So yeah, we just been working, man. I know. We don't post a lot as we should, you know. We try to balance real life, social media life, you know. Keep that in the balance, you know what I'm saying? Don't want to try to overdo one another, you know, but that's what we doing, man. We just about balancing, you know, trying to find the common ground, you know how we do. You know, same old. Day in, day out type stuff. Man, it's simple, man. Just focus on yourself, man. That's all I gotta say. Just focus on yourself, continue to do what works for you. Stop letting other people, small-minded people, belittle how you feel about something. You know, if you like it, stand on that. No matter if they don't like it. Like I said, everybody ain't gonna like what you like. You feel me? Everybody is not drawn to what you're drawn to. So don't let nobody try to deter you out what you may think is dope. Because at the end of the day, somebody else that may be above you think is dope and want to come holler at you. And then next thing you know, your dope idea is running everywhere. So hey man, stay true to what you got going on. Little man. Uh-oh. Time to go, man. We gotta get these puppers out. Let me see what they finished. She about finished. I know she finished. I know he finished. I know she about finished. They go, yeah, look at him. He won second. I know she's looking on the floor. Yes, seriously. Whatever they don't eat, I'll give it to the greedy eaters right here. They'll clean the rest of these bowls. Yeah, man, that's what we got, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We appreciate everybody that even hit that comment button. that like button, the comment button, the subscribe button, man. Everyone count, man. We appreciate y'all, man. Like I said, we striving for better, man. Working for greater results at the end of the day. Like I said, we just grateful, humble, and blessed to be in the position that we in, you know. Hey, man, I can't complain, man. It is what it is. It's what I signed up for. And I appreciate those that do help me, and I definitely appreciate the ones that try to knock me, too. Especially, and yeah, one thing, if you do hit that thumbs down, but I like to know why you hit the thumbs down. Let me know, tell me, talk to me, you feel me? I like constructive criticism, you feel me? Like I said, I don't do all the belittling and all that shit that be going on in this little high school bully game. You know what I'm saying? I'm just about elevation with it, man. I'm just about trying to grow. Just trying to, you feel me, do better than what I was, you feel me? So, man, with that being said, man, we appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all, I'm always head still in that bowl. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe again. Hey, we out.